Okay, so before we start actually drawing, let's take a look at the properties bar over here on the right side of our stage. Here you will notice that we have some document settings and we can easily change the width and the height of our document by changing the values over here. We can also change the stage color to any color we like, but keep in mind that that is not going to change your background color. In order for you to have a background color, you will need to do it separately. We will do it together later on in this course. And over here, we have the frames per second, the frame rate. At the moment, mine is set to 30, but you can change yours depending on your project and your preferences. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is all the tabs that we have over here on the top next to the properties bar. At the moment, I have the library open, where all our symbols are gonna go, the color panel, from where we can mix colors, the swatches, where we have some color presets. At the moment, I have my own custom palette over here, but you're gonna have the default. We have the align menu and the assets. If by any chance you're missing one of these, you can easily go to window right over here and pick the window that you're missing at the moment. Let's say that I accidentally closed the assets panel and I want to reopen it. I'm going to go to window and then I'm going to look for assets. Once I click that, the assets window will pop up right over here. There is a chance if you're using that window for a first time that your window is not docked. If your window is floating like this one, you can easily click, hold and drag on its name right over here and drag it to where you want to dock it. If I want to dock it right next to the align menu over here, I will just hover over until I see that blue border appear and I'm going to release. And that is going to dock my window right where I want it to be. I can easily rearrange them and reposition them. Okay, so let's go back to the properties panel. Before we continue, we need to speak a little bit about the colors. Adobe Animate uses two different types of colors, and the tools are using these colors too. So let's take a quick look at the colors. I'm going to click on the color menu over here, and you will notice that I have two different colors over here. A white one that represents the fill color, and the black one that represents the stroke color. If we want to use any of the main drawing tools, you will notice that they use two different colors. For example, if I use the brush tool, the classic brush tool, which is the main tool for drawing over here, I'm going to hit B on the keyboard to select my classic brush tool, or I can hover over that icon over here and I will change my white color to another color just because it's not going to be visible on the white canvas, and I will draw something. The brush tool uses fill colors, and the pencil, which is shortcut Shift and Y on the keyboard, or it's right over here, uses the stroke color, which is black. And using the selection tool, I will select everything I have on the canvas. I'm going to click, hold and drag, and I will select this line and I'll hit delete on the keyboard to remove it.